what is the molar mass of calcium hydroxide? The first thing you want to do is write out all the elements in that compound. We have calcium and there is only one of it. Now, when you have a parenthesis, these two outside the parenthesis affect every element inside the parenthesis, which means that oxygen is 2. You have originally 1 times that 2, that makes it 2. Hydrogen, 1 times 2, that is 2. Now go ahead and multiply each of the elements by their atomic masses. So calcium has 40.08 as its atomic mass, oxygen is 16.00, and hydrogen is 1.008. 1 times 40.08 is going to give us 40.08. 16 times 2 is 32.00. And this is going to give me 2.016. Now, the next step is to sum them up. The final answer is going to be 74.096 grams per mole.